There's a Trachycarpus palm I planted in 2001 here on Salt Spring Island. Isn't that beautiful? It's not one of my palms. Somebody else's. Might have been a California import. But it's doing just awesome. We're February. Past the second week of February now. And it's just an absolutely beautiful day here on Salt Spring Island. So that's a Trachycarpus fortunei palm growing in a planter. Grace Point. I think there's seeds up there too. It is a female. There's a lot of palms around, so it will get pollinated. Isn't that a beauty? Looks nice with the blue sky, doesn't it? It's a beautiful day in paradise. Thanks for watching, folks. Happy palm growing. Cheers. And peace.